Let's discuss about the transverse section of dicot root. The outermost region is epidermis. Root epidermis is called epiplema. Since it's an underground part, it doesn't have cuticle. The cells are elongated, compactly packed without any spaces, and it is single layered. We can see here. The cells protrude to make unicellular extensions which are called root hairs, which are meant to increase the surface area. The second portion is the cortex. Now the cortex is few layered, loosely packed parenchymatous cells. The innermost region of the cortex is called as endodermis. This region is called as endodermis. Now the endodermis of root has strips. These strips are called Casparian strips. Now what are these Casparian strips? These cells, the radial walls and tangential walls, are deposited with a water impermeable substance called suberin. Because of the presence of suberin depositions, leakage of water will not happen. So this is a strip. It is discontinuous and it's like a strip. The place where strip is absent, we find passage cells there. So the endodermis of the root is called Casparian strip. Now coming to the innermost portion called stele, the stele contains three portions. One is pericycle, second one is vascular bundles, third one is medulla or pith. The pericycle is few layered and it is parenchymatous. The pericycle of root consists of parenchymatous cells. This is the region from where vascular cambium, core cambium and lateral roots will originate. Coming to the next portion, vascular bundles. In root, the vascular bundles are xylem, phloem, they are alternate. So, alternate and xylem on different radii, phloem on different radii. Xylem on different radii, phloem on different radii. This is called radial. Xylem and phloem are not separated by any cambium, so it is closed. Radial closed vascular bundles. 1, 2, 3, 4 xylems, 1, 2, 3, 4 phloems, tetrarch condition. Diarch to tetrarch condition. And if we see the xylem, the protoxylem elements are peripheral, the metaxylem elements are inside. This condition, protoxylem peripheral, metaxylem inside, is called as exarch condition. And coming to the medulla or pith, the central place is called medulla or pith. It is very less and inconspicuous. So this is about the transverse section of root. The outermost region is called epiplema. It contains root hairs, unicellular, without cuticle, without any spaces. The second region is the cortex, loosely packed parenchymatous cells with spaces. The innermost region of the cortex is called endodermis. Endodermis has Casparian strips. The radial and tangential walls are deposited with water impermeable substance called suberin. Then coming to the steles, the outermost region of the stele is called pericycle, which is few layered parenchymatous cells which are having thick walls. The pericycle has three functions: formation of vascular cambium, formation of core cambium and formation of lateral roots. Coming to the vascular bundles, they are radial because xylem is on different radii, phloem is on different radii. They are radial and closed since cambium is not there between them. So the number of xylems are 1, 2, 3, 4. Phloems are 1, 2, 3, 4. So tetrarch condition, diarch to tetrarch condition will be there. And protoxylem outside, metaxylem inside. So this is called exarch condition. Medulla or pith is very less.